25 Ways to a Sustainably Developed India 100 Part 4. Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Khamagani, Vanakkam, Jule. India is a diverse country with a rich history of traditional artwork and folklore. Every region has artwork specific to it that has been passed down generations, right from the Madhubani paintings to the kalamkari work, the Wali art, or the miniature paintings. These have been a source of livelihood for many artisans through our history. These traditional art forms have contributed to the tourism economy of the country but are now slowly dying out. They are losing their originality or are being exploited by fashion houses or are replaced by machinery. One such artwork is Lipan art. It is traditional to Kutch and includes molding the natural clay into intricate designs and painted with a white organic paint and decorated with mirror work. This artwork is done on the outer or the inner walls of the home in Kutch. It helped to maintain the coolness within the house due to the reflection of the heat in the desert area and also helped maintain the light within the house with a single candle. These art forms are the pride of the nation and need to be maintained for a sustainable livelihood in creativity that no robots can replace.